everyone, welcome. You're outdoors in the 608. My name's Jeremiah. Appreciate you stopping by. In this video, I wanted to get the Wolfe Ridge 22RS washed up, cleaned up, and I also got a whole bunch of stickers to get on the beer fridge. The reason why I wanted to wash the 22RS is because this morning I was splitting and I got stuck in a rain downpour, and all the dust that accumulated over the last 9 months turned to mud. So I wanted to get it all washed up. I figured it was already wet, might as well wash it. So now that that's done, that's great, it's looking good. I'm gonna go get my beautiful wife Amanda, and we're gonna get some stickers on the beer fridge. Well, found her. I got your splitter washed.
Beautiful.
You ready to do some stickers?
I am.
All right, let's go.
First one is Travis Does Firewood.
He is, go ahead. He is, I think he's in Washington State. Way up by Daniel Atkins. Good channel, check him out.
Adirondack Woodsman.
Yep, that's Jeff. I think he's maybe in New York. He has some nice Easton-made equipment. I know he's got a nice splitter and a conveyor. Nice.
Knowles Garden Tractors and Firewood.
Nice. That's Noel. I believe he's in Canada somewhere. Does all kinds of stuff with garden tractors and firewood, and he's got a conveyor similar to ours.
In the Woodyard.
Everybody knows that guy. Chris in the Woodyard. Appleton, Wisconsin. Wonder if it'll fit there.
Sure.
You betcha.
Miller's Stumps and Firewood.
Yep, that's Ted. Is Southern Illinois. Has a processor. He has Wolfe Ridge splitter. Good stuff. Also does stump grinding.
Shotlift Family Firewood.
That's Brian. He is very close to me. Here in Wisconsin, he has a Wolfe Ridge splitter, conveyor, and just made a miniature firewood kiln. Pretty cool. Should check his channel out.
Hoosier Firewood Hysteria, Howard County Veterans 2024.
You betcha. We go there every year. It's a great place, great thing. We split firewood for veterans. We're gonna have another one first part of April 2025.
Nebraska Woodster.
Nice. That's Mike in Nebraska, obviously. Great channel. Does lots of firewood. Got a Wolfe Ridge, got a conveyor. Check it out.
Next, we have Up in Smoke.
Yep, that's Steve. I believe he's in Illinois. Great channel. Does a great job editing. Got an electric vertical splitter. Wolfe Ridge equipment. Check it out.
Logger Jason.
Yep, that's Jason. He's in Green Bay, Wisconsin. He does a lot of land clearing jobs. Got a processor. He's got all the goodies. Check it out. Last but not least,
Tom's Firewood.
Tom's Firewood. He is in Delaware. He does a really good job. Takes great pride in his firewood deliveries. Does a great job. You're on the beer fridge. Check out these channels. And one other shout out would be Brent from Around the Yard. He sent me this hat, a couple shirts. There's a sticker. It's already on the fridge. Thank you, Brent. Appreciate it. If you get a chance to check out some of these channels, they're all great channels. Go check them out. What do we always say?
Life is great in the 608.
You betcha. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Have a great one.